Roblox error code 268. Kicked due to unexpected client behavior. Here's how to fix it, step by step. Error code 268 is a disconnect that Roblox sends when the server decides your client is behaving unexpectedly. You are playing normally, and suddenly a message appears. You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior. Error code 268. This is a kick, not a permanent ban, so do not panic. Work through the fixes in order, from the easiest to the most advanced. Start with the easiest fix. Close Roblox completely, and if you launched it from a browser, close that tab too. Then restart your computer from the Start menu, Power Restart. After the reboot, open Roblox and join the game again. A fresh session clears many glitches.
Check the Roblox server status. Open a browser and go to status.roblox.com. If every service shows a green check, the problem is on your side. If you see an incident banner, Roblox is working on it, so just wait.
Make sure your account is not banned. Open roblox.com and log in. If the home page loads normally, you are not banned. If you see a ban message, error 268 is a symptom, so appeal it on the Roblox website.
Log out and log back in. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the Roblox app. Then choose Log Out. Log in again and try. You can also switch clients. If you play in the browser, try the Microsoft Store app instead, or the other way around.
Close any cheats, executors, or game tools. Script executors, FPS unlockers, and custom bootstrappers can trigger the anti-cheat, even when they are not running. Uninstall them and restart your computer. Keep in mind that using exploits can lead to a real ban.
Disable browser extensions. In Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon, then Manage Extensions, and turn every extension off. In Edge, click Manage Extensions. In Firefox, click the puzzle piece icon and Manage Extensions. Restart the browser and join again.
Clear the Roblox cache. Press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog. Type %local app data % and press Enter. Open the Roblox folder and delete everything inside, especially the cache and downloads folders. Then press Windows key and R again, type %temp% and delete those files too. Restart your computer. Your progress is safe because it is saved on Roblox servers.
Your antivirus can block Roblox. Open Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection, and click Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection and test the game. Turn it back on afterwards. A safer option is to click Add or Remove Exclusions. Then, add an exclusion and add the Roblox folder.
Flush the DNS and reset the network stack. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. Type netch winsock reset and press Enter. Then type netch int IP reset and press Enter. Finally, restart your computer.
Change your DNS server. Open Control Panel, Network and Internet, and Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your network adapter and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then click OK. Flush the DNS and restart. Try a VPN or turn one off. If your network is flagged, a VPN gives you a fresh IP address, which often stops the kicks. But if the error started while your VPN was on, turn it off and try again. This fix is situational, so test both ways.
Try a different network. Turn on the mobile hotspot on your phone and connect your computer to it. Join Roblox and play for a few minutes. If the error stops, your home network or IP is the cause. If it continues, the problem is not your network.
Reboot your router. Unplug the power, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and plug it back in. Wait for the lights to return. Then reconnect your computer and join again. This resets your public IP and clears the connection state.
Update your network drivers. Press the Windows key and X and choose Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click your adapter and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software. Then restart your computer.
If nothing works, wait it out. Error 268 often acts like a soft ban that lasts 45 minutes to 2 hours. Do not keep joining during the wait, because each attempt can restart the timer. Wait, then join once. This soft ban can also block Roblox Studio.
Reinstall Roblox. Open Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Roblox, click the 3 dots, and choose Uninstall. Open Roblox.com, log in, open any game, and click the green Play button. Accept the install prompt, and the latest client installs automatically.
For a clean install, remove every leftover file. Uninstall Roblox first. Press Windows key and R. Type %local app data %, and delete the whole Roblox folder. Also clear %temp % and %app data %. Restart, then reinstall from the Roblox website.
Use a clean boot to find a conflicting program. Press Windows key and R. Type msconfig and press Enter. Open the Services tab. Check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Open the Startup tab and disable every startup item in Task Manager. Apply, restart, and join again.
Some users fix this by downgrading the Roblox client to an older version. Warning: downgrading the client breaks the Roblox terms of service and can put your account at risk. This is what some users did, not a recommendation. Try every other fix first.
The last option is resetting Windows. Open Settings, System, and Recovery. Click Reset PC and choose Keep My Files. This reinstalls Windows while keeping your personal files. Back up everything first, and only do this after every other fix has failed.
So why does this happen? Roblox kicks your client when the server thinks it is misbehaving. The usual causes are anti-cheat false positives, network problems, a flagged IP from server hopping, or a bug in a new client update. Even Roblox staff have acknowledged server-side waves of this error.
There is no single fix that works for everyone. Some users cleared the cache, others changed their DNS, and one user had to reinstall Windows. Reports often spike right after Roblox updates, and they fade when Roblox fixes the issue on their side. Try the fixes in order, and one of them should work for you.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which fix worked for you.